Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to Instagram business account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and you need to log in into your Facebook account. So once you've done that, you simply need to select your page and go into the Meta Business Suite. So once you are in the Meta Business Suite, you simply need to click on settings, and here you need to select for the people and click on add people, and here you need to enter the email address. So I'm going to enter email address here. Okay, and then you need to click on next, and here you can select the role, then you need to click on next, and here you need to select your Instagram account. Like you can see that I have selected, then you need to click on next, click on continue. Here you can see that, then you need to click on send request. So once you send request, then the other people will have an option to get access to my this Instagram account. So this is the process by which you can give access to Instagram account, to Instagram business account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.